Welcome back, drinks fans. I am Steve the Barman, and I try to help you by giving you drinks and cocktail inspiration for your favourite tipples, for your favourite brands, to help you make and create better drinks at home. This is part 2 of my Margarita series, my mini series. I'm kind of flipping up and giving you inspiration, 6 different Margarita recipes. Make sure you go and watch the first video. I've done a passion fruit one, I've done a tropical one there using a coconut tequila, and we've got a riff on the strawberry margarita there. So let's quickly dive in. Just a quick recap, very quick recap. These 6 recipes are loosely based on the Tommy's Margarita recipe, which essentially swaps the an orange liqueur out for the agave nectar, so kind of a 3-ingredient cocktail. So this is the Tommy's Margarita, traditionally served in a rocks glass over ice. So I've got a kind of a nice martini glass there and a lovely ball of ice. Right, so let's dive straight back in with the next one. So this is number 4, and this is going to kind of be, I'm going to be using the coffee tequila, which is amazing. I haven't played too much with this actually. So I've got Cazcabel's coffee tequila. This is going to be kind of like a coffee, chocolate and orange kind of recipe going on here. So again, instead of the 2 ounces for this, I'm going 45 ml because I've got a bit more booze coming. So 1.5 ounces of lovely coffee tequila. And then for the kind of the chocolate and the orange, I'm going for Mozart's dark chocolate, which is more like a cacao than a cream. And I'm just going 10 ml of sort of that in there, so the coffee and chocolate. Now for this one, I am actually going to use a bit of my orange liqueur in this. So I'm going Fortunella's, and this is, for those of you not seen these videos before, this is kind of my go-to orange. It's more of a kumquat liqueur. So again, 10 ml of orange liqueur, and then we're going back to the sort of standard thing. So I'm going 30 ml, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. There we go. And 15 ml, half an ounce of my really thick and luscious agave. Look at this. Again, as I said in the first video, feel free. These are inspiration. These are not, you must stick to this recipe. Have a play, create your own, even if you need slightly more agave, slightly less agave. If you want to use sugar, excuse me. Oh, this stuff's amazing. Whatever, feel free to swap these recipes up. So, gonna ice this up, and then we're gonna give it a good old shake down, 10 to 12 seconds. All right, half shake. Right. Not going to use that shaker again, am I? Oh, that's so good. Right, let's pop that there. Right, I'm going for Nick and Nora glass, like the same as the strawberry margarita there. So I'm going to double strain this one. Remember, this is coffee, chocolate and orange. There we go. Lovely. You could serve, as I say, I'm just demonstrating different ways to serve these. If you want to stick in a rocks glass over ice, be my guest. Be my guest. Whatever you make though, make sure you upload it to Instagram and tag me. Tag me. Right. I'm just going to garnish this with a dehydrated orange wheel. Orange coffee. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh. Do you know what? I'm looking at those to think actually which is going to be my favourite. Oh, that is magic. People, make that. Let me know. I want your feedback on that one. So kind of make that coffee tequila, chocolate and orange. Oh. Right. The next riff we're going for, I'm going back to the Blanco. The honey tequila is going to be the last one in here. And stay tuned for that one because that is... right. Hopefully I've got enough. I need another bottle. Don't know. I'm going back, because again, there's more booze coming in this one. So I'm back to 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of a Blanco tequila. In there. So that is ingredient number 1. Now this one's going to be kind of a melon margarita. Tequila and melon, tequila and Midori is just standard, just works. So I'm going 15 ml of my Midori in there. If you've never had tequila and Midori melon, you're missing out because it's just match made in heaven, honestly. And then standard. No, say I've said it before and people are starting to copy me. It's not rocket science, this. 30ml, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then we are going for 15ml, half an ounce of agave nectar. Oh, yeah. I love that it kind of spills over because then I can do that. And I get grief for doing that. People in the comments just like, how dare you do that? Ladies and gents, newsflash, this isn't a public bar, this is my film studio. No one else is in here. I'm not selling these drinks. Someone had a go at me a couple of weeks ago for drinking out the bottle. Oh, makes me giggle. Right, so tequila, melon, lime and agave. Right, same old. Shaky. There we go. And we're just going to give this some proper welly, 10 to 12 seconds, hard fast. Right, there. Now, so I'm going to keep these out of the way so you can keep these all on camera. Right, rocks glass. Let's go for, which one should we go for? Let's go for that one. I'm just going to single strain this one out of there. Don't want the coffee. So single strain, I'm not worried about any little tiny shards of ice. They can go in there. And then hopefully this ball, ice ball, will do the trick. Here we go. Look at that. I love these little ice balls. Right, let's pop that down there. And then garnish. I've actually done my admin. I've actually got kind of like a little bit of watermelon there. Here we go. And that is, so I don't need a straw, that's my melon margarita. Honestly, these are just brilliant fun. Right then, your third margarita for this one, and number 6. Remember, I want you to comment. I want you to let me know which one of these 6 takes your fancy. I want to know in this. So, not rocket science at all, this one. But I wanted to use the honey. I thought, what flavours have I not really done on this channel using honey? What goes with honey? So, I'm going 45ml of this honey tequila. And it's slightly weaker, 34% ABV. So it's still healthy, but oh, it's delicious. Absolutely delicious. Old fashions, kind of, well, tequila fashions, whatever you want to call them, with that. Amazing. I need to do more with tequila stuff. Right, so honey. What flavours have I not done that I think goes well with honey? Honey was, I got ginger first off. I thought, oh, it's boring, isn't it? I've done that before. I'm going rhubarb vodka. I haven't got any sort of rhubarb liqueurs of any note. I've got rhubarb syrups, but I've not got rhubarb liqueurs. So I'm going honey, rhubarb vodka in here, and I'm going 15ml of rhubarb vodka. Oh, slightly more, closer to 20ml, but there we go. So rhubarb and honey. And then same old, you've guessed it, 30ml, 1 ounce lime juice. And then the final bit, 15, half an ounce of agave. So don't forget, rhubarb and honey, don't forget which one. Put them in order, rank them in order. I want to know. See, I'm really fascinated by this. Margaritas, I'm kind of really getting it. As I say, the Tommy's Margarita, just the plain sort of margarita, is absolutely... Quite easily drink that. But you know, we're all about having fun on this channel. You know, life's a bit... You've got to have some fun in here. You've got to take these drinks in here. Oh, what happens if I did that with that? Right, do I need another cocktail shaker? Yeah, because that's had my melon in it, There we go. Add to the washing up. Right, high fast shake. Right, there we go. Pop that down there. And then to serve this up, what should we do? Let's go for this glass. Is that right? Yeah. Actually, this one or this one. There we go. Let's use that one. Single strain. There we go. And then, I might go for the square ice cube, the chunky ice cube. There we go. What was I going to do for the garnish in that one? Oh, I've got a lime wheel here. Standard line wheel. If I cut it, I ain't cut it, have I? Where's my knife? There's my knife. Chatting to myself, barman. First sign of madness, that, isn't it? Here we go, line wheel. So there we go. Oh my word. Oh, good luck splitting these. Good luck splitting these. Right. So I want your orders. 4, 5, 6. I forgot what order that was now. 1, 2, 3, wasn't it? Like that. Or would you just go for the normal Tommy's Margarita? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.